won't find a cleaner 1996 993 turbo than this locally owned Polar Silver Coupe. This one is fully serviced with over $20,000 invested, including top-end rebuild 2 years ago. No detail has been overlooked with this air-cooled beauty, and this is an incredible opportunity to get your 911 while the values are continuing to appreciate. Introduced in 1996 as the fastest production car available for sale in the US, the McLaren F1 with its V12 wasn't considered legal yet. The 400 horsepower flat-six engine sings all the way through the rev range. This one shows like new and needs absolutely nothing. Call or stop in to see this one in person. We'd love to help it find a good new home.